If you're new to web development, you might want to start working on a JavaScript project, for example. And there's tons of free JavaScript projects on hackr.io, including some really cool ones like this drum kit where, you click one of the buttons, it makes the sound. You can also do to-do lists. There's a tic-tac-toe game. Let's say we want to do that. The fun thing about these projects is that you don't have to leave your browser to try them. If you go to the very bottom of any of these, you'll have the full source code. So you can copy the HTML source code and you can put it right into this online editor. It's the same with the CSS source code. So we've got all the CSS code right there, and the same with the JavaScript source code. So if you want to start with a pre-built project, just go into your editor, make the changes you want to make, and click run. And you'll see that the project is right there. It's right there in your window, right in your browser, without having to do anything. And if you've got your own code, you don't have to use the stuff that's on the page. You can go to the compiler itself. Hackr has this HTML compiler. Call it a compiler. HTML isn't a compiled language. This is just an editor, an HTML editor, a CSS editor, a JavaScript editor. You can paste your code right in here, and you can run all the same stuff right here in your window, in your browser, without ever having to leave. It's free to use. So if you go to hackr.io, you make an account, log in the dashboard, and you'll be able to use these editors free of charge. And new features are rolling out all the time. There will be options where you can save your work, so you can save your project after you made all these changes. But if you're just looking for a quick way to make changes to see exactly how everything looks, what if you change your color? What if you change some of the HTML code? You can do any of that right here. Click run code, and all of it will change immediately for you. You'll see it right in your browser, just like you do on the page at Hackr. So the fastest way to learn web development is also free, and it's right here online at hackr.io.